See the matter here, the atom, which is like oxygen, nitrogen, neon, like iron. Molecules is O2, N2, P4. These are all the examples mentioned. The O2, N2, P4. These are this is the homoatomic molecules, and the H2O, CO2, NO2, H2, N2H4. These are the heteroatomic molecules, which is what that we call it compounds. And this is the homoatomic, which is the elements, right? Yeah. So if we need to find out the atoms, so we have to multiply by a molecules into atomicity, and if we have to find out the molecules, then we have to divide by atoms upon atomicity, right? So if 400 atoms of hydrogen is present, then number of the molecules of C4 is 10, that will be 400 upon 10, which will be 40 here, right? The N2O5, as we considered, one molecule has 2 atoms of nitrogen and 5 atoms of oxygen. That means that atomicity of molecule which will be like 7. We have to add it, right? Yeah. So likewise, the question is asking, which of the following has the atomicity of molecule have equal to atomicity of the only element only, which is SH. Yeah, because homoatomic molecule it's asking here. The atom is what is the symbol of atom? Mass number, right? Mass number is represented by A and atomic number Z. Mass number means total number of the nucleons, proton per neutrons, and atomic number of protons is. This is the subatomic particle which is mentioned here. Electrons, which is the mass is mentioned. Proton mass, neutron mass is mentioned, right? Charge is also mentioned. The charge of electrons is 1.6 into which minus into 10 to the minus 19 coulomb, right? Atomic number, mass number of electrons, protons, neutrons, always be positive whole number, can never be negative and fraction. So atomic number and mass number. The atomic number, it tells about the number of protons which we have studied, which is, that means number of protons charge the entities, right? And number of protons present in the nucleus of an atom. And mass number, it tells about the number of nucleons, that means proton per neutrons present in the nucleus of the atom here. Mostly atomic number is, sorry, mass number is greater than atomic number, but in case of hydrogen atom, mass number is equal to atomic number, right? That means A could be greater than and is equal to also. So this is the number of protons which that will be equal to number of photons, right? This is the atomic number. This is the formula which is mentioned here. The number of neutrons, that means is equal to A minus Z, atomic number minus mass number, right? In any type of atom, we can apply this formula here, right? And the number of electrons is not equal to number of protons always. Okay, yeah. So number of electrons calculation we can understand, like in neutral atom or uncharged atom or non-bonded atom, number of electrons is equal to number of protons is equal to atomic number. We have to remember. And in charged atom, ions or radius, number of electrons is not equal to number of protons, right? There are two types of atoms here: charged atom, cations and anions. Cations formed by the loss of electrons, positive charge on atom. Number of protons is greater than number of electrons. Number of electrons is equal to number of protons minus charge. Cation is formed by the gain of electrons, negatively charged on atom. Number of electrons is greater than number of protons, and number of electrons is equal to number of proton plus charges, right? Now just we can see that the question: an element have the two isotopes of isotropic mass 25 and 30 respectively, so their abundance ratio is 3:1. So calculate the average atomic mass of the element. The key points of this question is mentioned here. The 3:1, that means 3 plus 1, that we have to add it, that will be 4 atoms, right? That means 3x to power 25 and 1x 25. 3 and 1 has given here to 1 3 by 4, because why 3? Because there is a 3. Then we have to divide by total, that means 3 by 4 and 1 by 4 in the same way. So by this we can apply this formula, and this we will get the answer of this question. In this question, the average atomic mass of the magnesium is 24.31 mu. This magnesium is composed of 79% of magnesium with 24, and remaining is what? Magnesium 25 and magnesium 26. This both are 21%, and calculate the percentage of M26. So like magnesium has it is given here the magnesium 24, which is given 79% abundance, and magnesium 25, which we have mentioned at 21 minus x, because the total is magnesium 25 and magnesium Mg like Mg 26. These both are 21%, so we have mentioned like magnesium 26, which is x percentage, and 20 minus x this. So simply just, and the average atomic mass which is given here 24.31. So we can apply this formula, we will get the answer of option number 1, which is 10. If we talk about isotopes, which is the same number of protons, right? Isotones, same number of neutrons. Isoelectronics, same number of electrons. Isoturds, same number of electrons plus atomicity. Isobars, same number of nucleons. Isodipoles, same number of neutrons minus protons. That's it.